In this video, I am making a live edge black walnut charcuterie board for a client. I started by cutting it to length and then removed the bark with a chisel and nylon wheel. I then cut out the handle with my jigsaw and sanded it smooth. This is by far the most time-consuming part of the process, but it turns out really well. This client requested a custom carving of the letter H in the center of the board, and I carved that out with my chisel. Then I sanded the whole board to 220 grit. And then I applied the food safe finish and one coat of food safe wax. Here are some finishing shots of the charcuterie board. It turned out great and was a very fun project.